Right, but you know what? Come bring me my bag of rocks.
Please welcome Brian Kelsey. Brian
Kelsey.
A few weeks ago, a friend of mine asked me to film a music video for him. Naturally, I said yes because I love doing that sort of thing. But he said there's one small little, like that little thing. And that is that the whole thing has to be filmed underwater in a pool. Filming underwater is not that difficult. All you need are these goggles. And also, this is a GoPro Hero 6. This is Rob. He is going to sing his hit single,
I Need Air.
and I'm going to film him. I feel like a broken man.
Water is fun.
So now, of course, what does that mean? Well, he has to lip sync underwater, but how is he going to do that if he can't hear the song? Now, they do make these waterproof earbuds, which I'll link below, which are kind of cool, but Rob came up with a great idea. He had his girlfriend sit on the edge of the pool with her hand in the water, holding a rock, and she'd knock the inside of the pool to the tempo of the song.
Can you drop the offbeat? Like that. That's what I need.
So all Rob had to do was listen for the clicks, and just mouth the words. It's genius. Genius.
I need air, sweet air. Oh God, please just let me breathe.
And water is dangerous when it keeps you from the air you need to breathe.
Oh my God.
Are you wet?
Oh no.
Are you cold?
Really dry.
Are you happy?
Look at this thing. Ready?
That's great, but let's get into the way that I color graded this footage. Okay, so we are in Premiere Pro, and here is the raw footage as shot in the camera. And first thing is that I want to get rid of these two things here, which the drains or whatever. I just don't like the way they look. So all I did was just duplicate the layer and make a mask and just kind of move around the bottom layer and made them disappear. So now, how do we get this really kind of cool color grade? It's pretty basic. I didn't use any LUTs. He wanted a very mysterious and really moody sort of look. So all he did was, you can see here I just pulled it all blue, brought the exposure all the way down. You can see there's the mask. Brought the exposure almost all the way down. Dragged this contrast. And also, of course, I crushed blacks. It goes all the way down. And that's basically it. There he goes. Before and after. Before and after. So if you want to see how the whole video turned out, I'll put the link below. Also, I'll link Rob Morton's stuff because he's a great musician and a great guy as well.
This has been a Brian Kelsey movie.